Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kullur Krishnayar from Mukambika Devasthanam. Today's Panjangam, 21st May 2025, Wednesday, Vishwavasunama Samvalsaram, Uttarayanam, Vasandarudo, Vaigashi Masam, that is Rishabha Masam, Krishna Paksham, Tidhi up to 10:56 p.m. Navami, then Dashami. Saumya Vasaram, that is Wednesday, Nakshatram up to 2:55 p.m. Chadayan Nakshatram, then Pururutadi. Today's Rahu Alam 12 to 1:30 p.m. Yamagandam 7:30 to 9 a.m. Guligalam 10:30 to 12 noon. Good time 9 to 10 a.m. then 2 to 3 p.m. Today's Chandrashtam for Kadagarashi. Shulam North.